Now let's go back to the Milkometer C1 network and start playing around with some of the other features on the DEX. So now that I have some tokens in my wallet, I can have a look at the portfolios on the DEX and see where I can possibly provide some liquidity so that I can earn some rewards in terms of APR and Blues tokens on the DEX itself. So here you can see a couple of tokens here. If I had some Wi-Fi, NMaker, or some copy, I could provide liquidity on the DEX in those tokens and have a nice little APR return there. I can also look at the various portfolios on the DEX here and see if I like any of these to provide liquidity too. Now, what I'll do in this case is have a look at some of these single token deposits and see where I can add in my Milk ADA to a various index to earn the most rewards possible. So I'm going to click on this link here, more single token deposits and withdrawals, and have a look at what's available. So this brings up the single token deposit screen and I can see all the tokens here, and the token that I'm going to provide liquidity for in this case is Milk ADA, and it's telling me the ecosystem index is the best place to place my ADA tokens. So I'm going to do just that. I'm going to expand this tab here and type in the amount of ADA that I wish to provide in this particular portfolio. I'm going to type in 5 in this case. Let that do its calculations and then click on the provide liquidity button. From there, I can see the summary here on the screen. I can see the LP tokens that will be coming back. Click on the provide liquidity button, and then I'll need to confirm this particular transaction in my wallet. So that transaction comes up, everything there looks good. I can click on confirm. In a few seconds, the DEX will lock in my Milk ADA and return me some LP tokens in the process. And there we go, we're done. It's that quick and easy to provide liquidity on the DEX. So now if you want to withdraw some tokens from the DEX, maybe you want to withdraw a single token, you have the opportunity here to click on the withdraw, and this will present you with all of the various indexes where you can withdraw tokens from. Now, the good thing about providing liquidity in Milk ADA is that it does appear in various indexes. In this case, I can see it in the multi-chain index, and I can withdraw liquidity from there without suffering any price impact. So I do have some liquidity there, and I can type in the amount of liquidity that I wish to withdraw. In this case, I'll withdraw 5. I can now approve that transaction. That will come up with another prompt with a request. I'll check over that. Everything there looks good. And I'll click on next. Now that's approving the liquidity tokens. Now I can withdraw them now that those particular tokens have been approved on my wallet. Everything looks good here. Let's click on withdraw. Check this particular transaction. Everything looks good there in terms of the fees. I'll click on confirm. And we're done. It's that quick. Absolutely love the speed of the Milkometer network and how fast it makes the Blueshift decentralized exchange. So as you can see, it's super easy to provide liquidity and withdraw liquidity on the DEX using one single token.